So this is Clymer, still in Orlando. This morning we listened to Freakonomics, and these Steven and Steven, they gave us 3 analytical advice. And the first one was be a bit cautious about what data you use, especially the difference between declared and revealed data. And they gave the example of if you ask people if they always wash their hands when they go to the bathroom, and they will definitely say yes, but we all know that's not the case. The second one was, I think, what was it, David?
It was around the cognitive, cognitive's not always enough, and I think it really links back into this year's Qonnections, talking about the cognitive engine and understanding, the example they gave was around the US crime rates in the 90s, and the cognitive engine would have said to you it's all around GDP, it's around the low unemployment rates of the 90s, but actually it was something to do with the abortion laws that changed 20 years earlier in the 70s in the US.
So the third one is that 99% accuracy in an algorithm is not enough. And actually what they gave us an example in sheer math, because if you got a population of 20 million and trying to find out terrorists, and you got an algorithm which is 99% inaccurate, you still got a large bunch of people that are pointed out as terrorists. So you need to be smarter than that. So that's 3 advice from Freakonomics here in Orlando. Cheerio.